This video is sponsored by Value Testers, hot preseason promo deals on Bacharach, Testo, combustion analyzers. Check out Value Testers for a full preview of specials, deals, and promos. Best tool company on the web, no one compares. Description and link below. Morning guys, it is October 18th, 2018. This one here I got a call for no heat on a gas boiler. Guy said the pilot's out, so maybe it's a thermocouple. Could be a gas valve, we'll see. He's got no heat or hot water, he said, so. We're on our way over there now, see what's going on. I've worked with this guy before. We'll see. I usually don't, I usually like to check things out myself when I get there, make sure, it's exactly what the problem is. But if the pilot's out, you change the thermocouple out. We'll start with that. It's getting cold. It was probably about 45 today. It's not all that warm, so. Anyway, try to get you some shots if I can. Molly, I got the heater on for you. What you got there, sleepies? Them sleepies out of there. You got your little coat on today, huh? Sweater and a coat. Alright, I'll be back. We got a dead mouse over there. Oh, really? In the corner. Yeah, pilot's out.
Although I work harder around here than I ever did.
Oh, your wife got the honey-do list going?
Yeah, exactly.
Honey do this, honey do that? Yeah, we'll try putting a little thermocouple in and try to see what happens.
Alright.
That's one thing about these units with a thermocouple. Sometimes they just eat them, just how it is.
Uh-huh.
Just how it is.
So the thermocoupler makes the spark?
No.
No.
The pilot heats up the thermocouple.
But if the pilot, how does the pilot go off?
All right, listen to me.
Okay.
What it does is, there's a pilot, and the thermocouple heats up and expands and tells the gas valve, okay, the pilot's on, we can let gas through. So if the pilot goes out, the thermocouple stops sending the signal to the gas valve and locks the gas valve out. Because if you didn't have a pilot, it wouldn't ignite you to fill your house up with gas.
Yeah.
So it's a safety. That's what it is. It's a safety device.
It'd just go out.
Oh, you could get a downdraft. I mean, it could be this gas valve is starting to be an issue. There's a lot of things.
Oh, okay. So a downdraft back through the
it's possible. There's
might do it.
The thing is, you change the thermocouple, it'll last a year, and then it goes out again, right? For the most part. So.
Yeah, that's kind of what's been happening from your tickets up there.
What? You gotta hold it down for a minute, and it heats up. That thermocouple heats up, and then it keeps the
pilot on.
It sends a signal to the gas valve to say, okay, the pilot is on, we can let gas through. Because think about it, if the pilot's out and it calls for heat and the gas just fills your house up with gas, yeah. I mean, that's what its purpose is. It's a safety device. See if I can release it.
Yeah,
it's staying on now.
Those houses blowing up.
Yeah, oh yeah, all then in Boston area. Clean them burners while I'm here. Look a little crusty. lot of stuff in that one. A lot of stuff in that one. Yeah. There it is.
Like a pilot's staying on.
Yeah, but just cleaning these burners. I mean, there's a lot of stuff coming out of there. Pilot staying on is a good thing, right?
Right.
Now, what kind of dog you got there? Looks like some kind of sheepdog or something, no?
Yeah, it's a mix. It's a golden doodle. It's a poodle and a golden retriever.
A golden doodle?
Yeah, very mellow, kid-friendly dog. Doesn't shed, doesn't smell. Very friendly dog.
Good dog, huh?
Yeah. Doesn't make a mess, you know.
You got a little dustpan and brush? I can pick up this stuff?
Oh, I'll get it. I gotta.
You sure?
Yeah, no problem. I got a shop vac. I'll just suck it up there.
Well, I'd rather clean the stuff out now, right?
Yeah.
While we're at it. So I got all the burners back. Yeah. Alright. Pilot's back on. We'll turn it to on this time, and it should fire right up. There it goes.
So maybe that's the issue. Maybe the pilot light is just so big that it just keeps frying the thermocouple. Huh?
Yeah, but there's a fine line now. If I turn the pilot down,
right,
now you might get a lot of callbacks as far as the thing going out all the time.
Yep.
I mean,
right.
so sometimes you just gotta kind of replace the thermocouples.
Yeah.
I mean, they do get cooked after a while because it's constantly being heated up.
Uh-huh.
But that's the theory. Yeah, it seems like I replaced a lot of them, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I can throw them out, the rest of them. I was here about a year ago, replaced the thermocouple. Sometimes that's what the way they are. I mean, I just eat thermocouples. I don't want to turn the pilot down. Look at that. I don't like the way that is. Hanging, flopping in the wind there. Scary. And you can see the stuff that come out of the burners. He's going to vacuum that up, he said. Oh yeah, there's Miss Molly. There's my friend. There's the tail wag. There's the tail wag. Got the heater going? Oh yeah, all toasty. Yeah, you're a toasty. Toasty little one. Alright, come on, push it over. Get in your seat. Get in your seat. We're gonna go to the next job. Come on. Let's go. Get in your seat. Go ahead. Come on. Gotta get in your little spot there. Miss Molly.